have repainted all the cabinets, both the white and the gray. And now I am going to paint the hardware and we're gonna paint it all black. Mom, I want to miss Alright. Henry has been inspired by our painting in the RV, and he is painting his own masterpieces over here. Casey!
Come on, bud.
What are you working on?
Well, the sealant here. Well, they have this enormous bead of silicone. See it down there?
Yeah.
To fill this gap. Why? Because this is like separated. So it was sitting like that.
Hello behind the shower.
We pushed it open.
Oh no, be careful.
So, I think I can get some liquid nails behind here to glue it and clamp it from the outside. But just something to keep this closed up so that I can run a sane size bead of silicone.
Oh, gotcha. And then when it flexes, it doesn't tear
because
apart.
it's trying to fill the gap of this big, and there's just no way that's not going to leak at some point.
This is all done up here. As done as it's going to be. Uh-oh. Where'd our artist go? What are you doing? Oh, he's sweeping. Sweeping the garage. Good hard work.
This room went the slowest because the ceiling had to be done before we did all the rest of it, but now that it's done, it's primed, and definitely the biggest transformation just from how dark and dingy it was in here to this. Paige on a rage.
I need the knife.
Don't hurt anybody.
Alright, I'm very impatient, so I'm putting some of the hardware onto the cabinets and then carrying it into the RV, putting it approximately where it goes. I think we're ready for Casey to do floors when he's ready to work again, and just hang everything else up, and we're gonna be like done like with everything that we're doing right now. At least there's a million more projects in mind, and you know, we own this thing now, so it's like another little house. There's just always going to be something we want to work on, but I am so relieved to be like finally putting everything back together. It feels so good. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Cool.
Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, a little bungee or something. We made the bed, sort of, semi. It looks so complete. Things are happening. It is exciting. Casey lost his tools again. Casey went to find his tape measure. So, here we are. Yeah, we'll see. You're gonna cut your leg off. Oh.
How did we do?
Because it's underneath the conduit that you're building a box for.
I broke it.
Broke the board?
Yeah, a little bit. That's gonna be tricky, y'all.
First piece is in! And of course, he can't stop there. Right?
You know.
No, yeah, I'm with
all
you.
of it.
No. Okay, guys, it's been some days or milliseconds to you, but we've taken a couple days off. I'm gonna head out there, and my job is supposed to be now to tackle the painting of the shower tub. We got a kit, so I'm gonna go read the instructions and see if I can get started on this. I'm also supervising this one at this moment while Casey's working, so if it's not super a kid-friendly thing, which I'm kind of suspecting, at least I'll have the instructions read and be ready, like get everything set up and ready to start after bedtime. This is the kit we have. I haven't spent a lot of time in here because it was just so grungy and gross, and then Casey was like doing all of the things to make it not grungy and gross, which he's done with, so welcome to the bathroom, me. I'm just noticing for the first time that things like the shower head stuff are like screwed on. It all just needs to be cleaned. Like there's no way I can go at this with paint right now. So this is so gross. It's gonna be like such a transformation. If you guys are here for the like ew before and the like wow after, this is your moment. Depend on the size and the condition. I wonder if I'm supposed to do the sink too. I think I'm supposed to do the sink. Off or removing metal drains and hardware. Mask off the metal. Let's do that. I've got masking tape right here. How convenient. Okay. Let's unscrew all of the anything screwed in. Screwdriver. Ah, screwdriver galore. Cool. Ta-da! Let's get it. Wow! Oh my gosh. Okay, so behind this you can see the original color that this shower is supposed to be. And I'm feeling really gross about standing in it now. Here you go. This is good for the before. And then all of a sudden you hit this moment where you're like, whoa, I smell. It's like your smell, like you're sweating a little bit and then all of a sudden it's just like, now you're gonna smell bad. That just happened. Enjoy that fun fact.
I'm just gonna cut this part out, and this should notch around the bathroom door. That's done good. Well, we messed that up really bad. Alright. 2. That took a while, but I did get around this corner and backed up to there. And ignore those because I put them in backward when I started on the first day. Those are coming out.
I want to do a different project that I don't even know if I know how to do. We bought a new set of we bought a new this thing for the one in. It came with a manual. I'm pretty good at following instructions. Surely I can do this thing I've never done before, right? The reason we bought a new thing is because this part, the sprayer on the old one, is broken, and if you turn the sink on, it just starts spewing water over the sprayer. I forgot. I got the old faucet out, but I couldn't really see what I was doing, so I had to do it all by feel. I scraped all the like putty off and cleaned it with just like regular cleaner. This is when you know like your construction zone's not so crazy. You can have coffee and not like have stuff flying into it. Cool. So I guess this goes this way. Perfect. Thank you, Henry.
You're welcome.
Apply plumber's putty into putty groove in deck plate. So I guess I need to put that in here. We need to go to the garage, Henry. I think there's some that was like already in the RV. So hopefully it's not hard as a rock. It feels still putty-like.
Here's the video.
Hi. I'm just sort of moving in prematurely.
Wow, that's so cool. Ooh.
It works.
I got some Sculpey like fake clay to make a little vase.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Right
Okay.
in this hole. Then when we're traveling, we can put little like flowers or whatever in that.
We do need to plug that. That looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good. It doesn't spray stuff everywhere anymore.
Yeah, this works.
Yeah. Done. Oh, let me turn off my 90s crap. So, after I think a week, maybe I started last weekend, maybe I started Monday. It's Saturday now. I'm not totally sure, but the floors are mostly done. And here, there are a couple of moderately annoying imperfections, particularly right here. I had a board as I was hammering these joints together. You really have to put a lot of pressure into them. One of my boards slipped under the bed. I didn't even think about shimming it. Hopefully now that the rest of the floor is in place, I can actually get inside the bed, get something in there and knock that board backward and tighten up this hole. And on the last row, since there's no way to really hammer in from the outside, just a very narrow gap. You probably can't even see it on the camera. I'm happy. It's done. Needs trim. Oh yeah, and something around this. But that's finished work. Champagne problems.
I left you off with the shower. I am probably about halfway through prepping it for paint. My God. The caulking is really hard to get out because whoever was recaulking it was never taking the old caulk out. It was just like layers and layers. All right. It's shower painting time, so I've done all of the prep work for the shower. The paint has been sitting for an hour, which it has to do to like become paint. You like mix it. Anyway, yeah, so I'm ready to brush it on. It takes 2 coats at least, so we're gonna get the first coat on, let it dry, and then come and do the second coat. I think it's time to get this guy out. You ready to help me take the TV out, Henry? I got the TV out. That's very exciting. And Casey came through. He was gonna go run some errands, and I was like, oh, could you just take this TV to the recycling place? It's right down the street from us. So he was like, yeah, I'll take it. So that's awesome.
Whoa! As you can see, there's been a cold snap. We've gone from shorts to sweaters overnight.
This is the most, like, this whole room is the most transformed. I forgot to paint these.
I didn't even notice that until now. What else did they miss? Caulking
Did you
around the
caulk them?
ceiling, yeah.
Yeah.
And around the edge here is all done. Woo! It's
white.
painted. We finished wall painting.
Yeah. So all that's left in here is this light fixture
Oh yeah.
and any other cosmetic things we want. It's a bathroom!
This came out pretty good. I have bumpers in my Amazon cart.
Oh, good.
Due to a tragic editing error, we lost the footage of these being cut. It was like me and a circular saw. I freehand cut all of these, and it was perfect on the first try. And there definitely wasn't any of me looking for a tool that I lost, or standing back and staring at the wood for 10 minutes. So it went really smooth. And there's ones up here, and back here with the noisemaker above the bedroom. What do you think of the cabinets, Henry? Woof, boom, he says. We're looking at animal books. This door,
It's my favorite because I use it the most.
that door was missing.
Yeah, we didn't have
We moved in. We stole some hinge hardware from one of the cabinets we left off in the bathroom. They haven't been sanded yet, so I actually have to pull them back down and, I don't know, lacquer or...
really nice naked.
I know. I'll put something that doesn't stain them and keeps the color.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some sort of integrated handle. I don't know what yet. Either like notch them out where you can get your hand in there or just drill a hole. What do you think, Henry? How should we do the handles on the cabinets?
A little hole you put your finger in?
Yeah, a little hole you put your finger.
You like a finger hole? That's the easiest. That saves Dad a lot of trouble.
I bought this on Grove.
That is like a totally super secret collapsible broom situation nobody told me about.
There's a
that I listened to.
head, too. Man, this is just like...
I know, just walking around for like 5 minutes creates a lot of dirt. It's done. Except it's not. But like...
It's ready to roll.
This is travelable. It is, it's done enough. We're gonna have a million projects forever. We already have other stuff. Like maybe we replaced countertops. And I've got a bunch of electrical dreams about like a solar setup. But as far as like, can we travel in it? Is it livable? Yes.
Yeah. So our next video is going to be a before and after. And you should subscribe so that you get to see that. And then after that, it's going to be travel vlogs of all of our adventures with the occasional update on RV repair and maintenance along the way, I'm sure.
The natural part of it. We've already been on a trip, spoiler. You get to see that too.
Yes.
So.
Subscribe.